Welcome back to the Packaging School Show. I'm your host, Kevin Kegley. And that intro sort of felt like Mr. Rogers or something. Remember when he would walk in the door, put on a sweater, that kind of a thing? We're in our kitchen today because we're going to do a little bit of unboxing ourselves. A few episodes ago, we covered a company in Los Angeles called NEURO. And they have these energy gum products, energy mints, things that help pick you up and calm you down kind of stuff. And they were kind enough to send me this box of goods. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this and see what's inside. So thanks to Kent and Ryan, the guys that were the brainchild behind this. All right, well, we've got here's a little, this is like a miniature trifold brochure kind of a thing, so that's cool. A little bit of information about them, refresh your state of mind, fun visuals in there. Oh, and Alessandra, yes, we talked via email. I think you put this box together. Thank you very much. So have a cool business card, front and back there. Cool, nice sticker that could go on like a guitar case or a water bottle or something, or whatever you want to put it on. It doesn't have to be those things. Don't feel like you're locked in. Then we've got a couple of products here. This is the NEURO gum, but really cool packaging. That was a LA-based company, Herman Shear, that helped brand this. And then the energy mints, energy, clarity, focus, NEURO mints. So these things are very well branded and came in a nice little corrugate box with their name written all around. And this is a pretty cool thing. This whole idea of unboxing, and like that was a little bit of Christmas for me. I don't know what it was like for you. Maybe that's part of the thrill. A lot of people search YouTube and they look for unboxing videos, and maybe it's a way for them to feel a part of somebody's birthday or Christmas morning. Because I think we all like getting gifts, and we want to be a part of it. So with more on that, here's our very own Nick.
Unboxing is one of the most popular search terms on YouTube and yields millions of results and thousands upon thousands of hours for consumers to binge. So why do we like to watch other people open boxes? Well, I don't think it takes an expert to assume that we enjoy that second-hand feeling of receiving something. Whether you want to admit it or not, everyone enjoys receiving presents, and part of the fun of getting a gift is opening the wrapping, box, or bag to see what's inside. This is the logic behind the unboxing experience, a somewhat recent development in consumer packaging. It's no longer good enough to simply ensure the safe delivery of the product. Your package needs to make the consumer feel like they are opening a treasure chest just for them. So, what makes a great unboxing experience? Well, there's a few different factors that come to mind. Apple is usually the first brand that people think of when they think of the unboxing experience. But what makes them so special? Sure, everything is nicely organized and packed in their clean white boxes, but there isn't anything exceptional upon first glance. But then you pick it up, and Apple nails the unboxing experience through the choice of materials. The careful choice of paperboard combined with a snug fit makes opening the box feel incredibly premium and satisfying. Beyond simply choosing the right materials, another way I see a lot of brands enhancing the unboxing experience is through choice of dunnage and box branding. An example that really comes to mind in this regard is Hickory Farms. You know these things, right? You've probably received one as a gift around the holidays. Check out how Hickory Farms presents their products once you open the box. The carefully shredded dunnage gives the product the appearance of sitting on a bundle of hay or something. This might as well be a display from an artisan farmer's market, and it really improves the perception of the brand. Finally, a brand could simply go all out on making a package feel like it is a part of the product itself. I experienced this recently when I bought a pair of headphones. Now, these aren't crazy expensive headphones or anything like that, but they're not cheap, probably around $70 or so. But take a look at the package that they came in. This is one of the nicest, most elaborate packages I've ever seen, and really seems like the kind of thing that a 300 pair of headphones should be coming in. Thick, textured, and embossed paperboard, a magnetic clasp, a decorated interior flap. viewing window, and extra accessories. This is an example of a brand going above and beyond to tell a story through their packaging, and for me, they nailed it. Now, this is most definitely an expensive offering, but I can tell you that as a consumer, this packaging would definitely lead me to be a repeat customer with the brand. I mean, I bought these almost over a year ago and I still haven't gotten rid of the box. So, how do you feel about your brand's unboxing experience? It might have seemed like a gimmick at first, but it's clear that it's actually a genius marketing tactic that's here to stay. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, Nick, and thanks to all of you out there. And just want to remind you to like this video, leave a comment if you will, and please subscribe to this channel. And as always, keep calm, carry on, and wash your hands. See you next time.